I've been in the sensory pod for 43 days now. They don't call it sensory deprivation anymore. Enhanced neural focusing is the marketing term. The blindfold isn't just cloth. It's this creepy nanofiber mesh that blocks all light while tracking my pupil dilation. Can feel it adjusting against my skin sometimes. The headphones don't play music. They create a vacuum of sound using some phase cancellation tech. Then the algorithm decides what I'm allowed to hear and when. They call this audio interface the Stream, proprietary AI tech that supposedly delivers personalized neural therapy by analyzing and adapting to my brain patterns in real time. I'm a bit of a geek for this kind of stuff, and that's how they explained it to me when I signed up. I volunteered, needed the credits after the third market crash. The neural mapping they do while you're under pays triple what standard clinical trials offer. The theory was simple. Remove external stimuli, then introduce highly targeted auditory inputs to rewire trauma responses. The military used a crude version for PTSD vets back in the 30s, before neural mapping was even a thing. Sometimes I feel the technicians watching. When the cortisol spike hits too hard, a voice whispers through the headphones.
Adjustment sequence initiated.
Then my thoughts seem to clear, like someone's turned down the volume on my anxiety. I've started hearing the Stream's voice even when they swear the system is powered down. That's definitely not in the product brochure. Mentioned it to technician Raj yesterday and saw him make a note. Then he smiled at me like I'd just proven something. Yesterday, I swear I heard it say my childhood nickname, one that isn't in my file. When I asked about it, they tacked on an additional 7 days in the pod. I don't think I'm their patient anymore. I think I'm their prototype. This has been The Stream. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. It really helps and is very appreciated. Thank you for listening.